head up to Bernard. Maybe get some final floor in. Still homes out here. We got a little bit of rain here across these tracks. So today it's a nice little joyride up here. We'll get an old 70 for just a minute, but once we get up to the Greenway, it's a real scenic climb. We'll bomb down the gravel road for a bit, hit the new Bernard section. Not sure if y'all can see this heat and humidity, but the road's been hot and the quick rain, it's just steaming off of here. A little bit humid. It's almost 6 o'clock, but it's also July. So this ride's part workout, part fun. There's a little warm-up climb here. Right. See how the camera picks up this glaring light. Really cool here, zooming through this fog. Must have rained pretty good up here a few minutes ago. Sun's out, there's probably some rainbows. Oh, here's the bottom of Bernard right here. It's looking pretty sloppy. I guess it rained a lot just now. Sort of overgrown here. All right, Pisgah special, here comes the rain. It's 10% chance. But about 10 minutes ago, my phone and watch started going off saying, rain will begin. And here it is, right on cue. Feels pretty good actually right now. I can mostly hear it. The trees aren't really leaking much yet, but probably make the trail a bit greasy. We shall see. Time to get wet. Sunny blue skies over there on that ridge. I guess this is a light rain in Pisgah. And the rain gone. Gone. Well, it's not gone over there. Oof, that looks like a storm over there. But we are blue skies here, mostly. Hard to beat this climb for single track. Check this out in the summer. Kitsuma over to your left, Bernard Mountain on my right. All this green, just luscious forest. All right, so I made it to the top of Point Lookout. Got a bit of a descent here to get to the Bernard gravel road. Thunder's rumbling pretty good, but I don't think it's supposed to last long, so I'm gonna keep going. All right, folks, the ride is officially rained out now, no single track. So I'm bombing down Mill Creek Road. Coming down pretty good. I'm soaked everywhere. Should be fine as long as I don't get thunder or lightning on. Probably 20-minute ride back. So it'll be, disc brakes are doing fine. Got some electronics on me. Oh well, I think they're waterproof. I was trying to ride with one hand a minute ago to get a drink and nearly lost it, so oh snap. So I may have to take some cover. We'll see. Somehow nothing's getting in my eyes right now. Makes me go in helmet shape. Oh man. We got some puddles here. I think I'll be fine. I haven't seen any lightning yet. Jeep's coming after me. I better slow down. It's kind of greasy. Legs are rested. Get some pedaling in. Oh, that Jeep's wide open. People grilling down there. My kind of party. Of course, once I get down, this rain stops. Could be riding single track now. So I rode this a couple times. Oh, the fountain's up. Now the rain's starting to hurt. Kind of stinging my face. Maybe I should just close my eyes. Honk, honk, honk. I wish I had a shoe dryer. Oh wait, I do. Let the thunder roll. Let the thunder roll. Let the lightning strike. Yeah, boy. This is the Pisgah. 5% chance of rain, but scattered showers somewhere. Yeah, right. This is light. I'd love to see heavy. America! We are 2 days before 4th of July. Love seeing all the patriotic color. Great place to live. Gotta be careful on these turns. I'm not really used to riding in the road in the rain. Probably can't see squat. What would James do? I feel like I'm losing some traction. Start to float a little on these pedals. Oh shit. Is that lightning? I think that was lightning. Shit. I don't know what to do. I got rubber on these wheels. I don't really know where to take shelter. I'll be home in like 10 minutes. It's probably going to be stoked. I won't be able to use it if I tried. I'm just trying to pull up pretty bad. Luckily there's still enough light. I probably got no stopping traction here, so evening rides. We had to bomb down the entire greenway one time on a mountain. It was actually kind of fun, kind of like this. It's a disappointment to miss out on single track, but oh, there we got some little geese or turkeys. Gobble, 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 gobble! Gobble, gobble, gobble! 1, 2, 3. Eating good tonight, fellas. All right. Don't think it's gonna blow over anymore. Somehow it's still hot. I would consider stopping, but I don't want to be stuck in the dark either. You're poison. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Well, I did one thing right, not take the single track. Oh damn. I think a car just got squished by. Oh snap. This ain't good. Oh man, this is bad. This is real bad. Are you okay? Yeah. Is there anybody else in there?
No, just me.
Wow, that was freaky. Y'all be careful. Not sure what happened. Now I gotta get home safely. It's coming down good. People aren't gonna be able to see me. I'm not gonna be able to see them. I'm hesitating to stop. There's the ambulance. Oh man, I can't see. I don't have far to go at all. I'm really having trouble seeing here. I gotta go down, going slow, but trying to get home quick. Shit. Oh, there's lightning. Come on, baby. Pick the right decision here. What do I do? Probably a porch I can jump into. So there's some cars coming up here to rescue these people. I'm pedaling. I'm so close. Alright, yeah, I'm close now. I can get there. Alright. Come on, baby. Hold the line. Oh. Gotta look down deep enough that my helmet shield my eyes. hitting me right now. That's a lot of water. Come on, baby. Don't get hit. Get on these train tracks. Ooh, it's cold right here. It's cold. Look, hell on me. Alright, here's my turn off the main road. Home stretch, baby. We're on the jets now. Felt wrong leaving the scene, but she was okay. EMS was on the way. There was really nothing I could do. Somehow she was walking. I don't know how you put the car right there. Ooh, we got a barbecue. Here it comes, wait for it. Kaboom! Oh, come on, baby. Right by the power lines, that kind of makes me nervous. Should I wait under the bridge? Oh, one tree down. 2 trees down. I wonder if there's just one down. Oh, baby. Ugh, that makes me nervous. It's so close. Old Hillman. What a ride. And we made it. Ooh. How's this deck doing in the rain? Oh, lightning. Wow. Just in the nick of time. Oh. That was wild. Look at this. You got rain. Shoes are soaked. Nikas, we got some work to do. We got the rain. It's kind of protected. Tools look good. Man, I wish I had a, be careful folks. It's Pisgah. This is normal. Cheers.